All right, chair legs are done. Next, they want at least two armrests, one left, one right, approximately a ½ inch wide, 2 inches long, and about 1/4 inch thick. But you got to figure now, if this is your chair, you're seated here, your middle of your back somewhere about here, so your arm might be somewhere in this zone. How you build an armrest, up to you, but let's not have it low or too high, kind of go in the middle somewhere. So I'll kind of build mine coming off of this little wall here. So 2 inch, ½ inch, 1/4 inch. All right. So I might take mine and just start building off this little ledge and come out and build that. Let's try it once. So I'm going to take a line. I'm going to go from this edge, but go from the midpoint. The cursor will snap to the midpoint. See it snap there? Got it. I got to come red, which is out from the chair, a ½ inch. I'm kind of drawing in space. I got to travel green for about 2 inches. And I got to travel red for that ½ inch. And then back green again. And if I push, pull, expand that 1/4 inch, I'm going to go upward 1/4. There's an armrest, but having this here kind of makes the chair a little bit narrower. Maybe make the person not comfortable because it's kind of narrow. And as far as the connection point, that's going to snap off. If you put pressure on it, it's going to snap. So I want to have this kind of dig into this side a little bit more. So I'm going to take my push-pull tool, and I'm going to pull this little chunk, maybe another ½ inch. And then I want to kind of have this kind of rounded. Right now, if you walk past this chair, this sharp edge may catch your hip and then hurt you. So maybe round that. How do you round things? Well, I'll show you. I need to kind of make a curved edge to cut that chunk away. So I'm going to take tape measure tool, and I'm going to measure from this edge. I'm going to click my little tape measure so it's the color of red. On the edge, I click. Move the mouse. I'm going to go 1/8 inch and click. From this edge, make sure it's red, not blue, not green, red. Click. Move 1/8 inch and drop. I'm going to build a circle from this point of intersection and make this 1/8 inch. Okay? I'm going to erase off this part of the circle and my two guidelines, but I'm not going to erase that. I'm going to push-pull this little chunk all the way down till it turns dark blue and drop it. And then zoom out, orbit a little bit. Now I have a curved edge. Okay? So I'm going to add a curved edge here, and here, and here. And then build my other armrest the same way.